Hello, welcome to my active kitchen. Today I'm showing you how to make plain okra soup. So to make plain okra soup, you need locust beans, also called eru, some salt and some bouillon powder, some crayfish powder. This is optional, but it's good for flavor, and some fresh shrimps. I start by chopping my okra. You can add this to your food processor straight away, but I'm just showing you how to do this on the chopping board. And you can actually chop this if you want, but I just prefer to use a food processor because it makes the job quicker, and you know you can't beat that. I'm gonna add everything to my food processor. You can do this in batches depending on the size of the food processor you're using. You don't need to add water to blend this because you'll be using the pulse function. So pulse this about 3-5 times depending on how the texture you want. Place a pan on medium heat and add about 2 to 3 cups of boiling water. Then I go in first with my locust beans, also called eru in Yoruba. Then I'll add my fresh shrimps. I tend to cook that first because that way I don't overcook it. I cook that for like 2 to 3 minutes and take it out from the pan and return it later into the okra, so that way it's not overcooked. It's still very nice when you eat it. It's not chewy or rubbery. So I'm gonna add the blended okra to my boiling water. If you could smell the screen right now, you can just tell it smells beautiful already. So yummy and delicious. Right, you don't need to cook okra for a long time. So from this time till when you finish, you're gonna have to work quickly because you only need about 5 minutes at this point. So the okra is looking thick now. You can add water to it. So I'm gonna be adding some water to mine to lighten it up a bit. Then I'll cook that for like another 1 or 2 minutes on medium heat. I'm gonna season it with some salt and bouillon powder, the ground crayfish. I'm gonna stir it up, so it's all combined. You can add more water at this point if you want, but I like my okra thick. Look at that bubble. So I'm gonna go in with my cooked prawns, shrimps now, sorry, yeah. And I'm gonna stir it into the okra and let it cook for another minute or two. Like I said, you're gonna work quickly. You need like 5 minutes from start to finish from the time you add the okra into the water till you finish cooking it. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this post. I will see you in my next video.